Today's Gospel from Matthew chapter 5 verse 1 to 12 reminds us that compassion, humility, and peace are powerful strengths. As we celebrate the fourth Sunday in Ordinary Time and Pro-Life Sunday, we are encouraged to appreciate the gift of every life we encounter. This message beautifully connects with PMP Day 2026 and its theme, Serbisyong Nararamdaman, Kapulisang Maaasahan. The Beatitudes shine through the quiet, sincere efforts of PMP personnel who show care beyond duty. And whenever our men and women, the PMP offer kindness and integrity in their work, their presence naturally becomes a blessing, bringing hope and reassurance to the communities they serve.